morning, kids. In this session, we will understand what are prime numbers and composite numbers. Now see, first of all, what are prime numbers? The numbers which have only two factors, means which number is divisible by two numbers only. That number is called prime number. How? Suppose 2. If I ask you to write the factors of 2, factors of 2 means the numbers on which table 2 can come, then what will be that? 1 and 2. 2 can either come on the table of 1 or 2. Same as 5. 5 also comes on the table of 1 and only 5. 3. 3 also comes on the table of 1 and 3. 11. 11 will also come on the table of 1 or 11. Now see, all type of these numbers which are having only two factor. One will be the number 1 and second will be the number itself. These are called prime numbers. These are not divisible on any other number. Now we have composites number. Now what are composite number? The numbers which have more than two factors are called composite number. How? Let's see. Suppose if I ask you to find the factors of 6, then what you will write? 6 can come on the table of 1. 6 can come on the table of 2. It may come on the table of 3 and 6. Now here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 factors, means more than 2. So these kind of numbers are composite number, which are having more than 2 factors. See one more example. If I ask you to write the factors of 9. 9 may come on the table of 1. It can come on the table of 3. 3 3s are 9. And then on the table of 9. This also having more than 2 factors. So the number 9 is also a composite number. So the numbers which are having 2 factors are called prime number. The numbers which are having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Now we will do some important facts of that chapter. 1 is the only number with one factor. As I told you, the number which are having 2 factors, that are prime numbers. The numbers which are having more than 2 factors are composite number. But what about 1? 1 is having only one factor, and that is number 1. So 1 is not a prime or composite number. 1 is called unique number. It is called unique number. Next fact, 2, 3, 5, 7 have 2 factors. So they are prime numbers between 1 and 10. If we want to write the prime numbers between 1 to 10, then what are the prime numbers? 2, number 3, number 5, number 7. As these all numbers are having only 2 factors. So these are called prime number. And among these all, number 2 is the smallest prime number and also the only even prime number. Not any other prime number we have which is even. Only number 2 is the even number. Next, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 are composite numbers between 1 to 10. Now if we want to write the composite numbers between 1 to 10, then what will be these? 4, 6, 8, 9 or 10. The numbers which are having more than 2 factors. And among these, 4 is the smallest composite number. Now see the next one. 2 and 3 are consecutive prime number. Now what are consecutive prime numbers? Consecutive means in the continuity. Only 2 and 3, only that pair we have which is the consecutive prime number. Then see the pair 3 and 5, 5 and 7. These are the prime numbers with the difference of only one number. Like 3 and 5, in between we have number 4. 5 and 7, in between we have number 6. So that kind of pairs of prime numbers which is having one composite number in between, these are called twin prime. What we call them? Twin prime. Now see the next one. When you factorize two numbers and find only one as the common factor. Suppose if I write the factors of 7 and 8, then we want to find the common factor in between, and I get only one as the common factor. So these kind of numbers are called co-prime numbers. Now by following these facts, we will do blanks of these exercise. The smallest prime number. Now as I told you here, which one is the smallest prime number? Number 2. The number 1 is a dash number. What we call to number 1? It is a unique number, as it is not a prime number, not composite number. It is a unique number. The smallest composite number. Smallest composite numbers will be 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. And which one is the smallest one? Number 4. Dash is the only even prime number. That also I told you here. The only one prime number we have which is even, that is number 2. Composite numbers have dash or more factors. Now to which numbers we will call the composite number? Which is having more than 2 factors. So means which is having 3 or more factors. These are called the composite numbers. Prime numbers with a composite number in between. The 2 prime numbers which is having one composite number in between. Like here we have seen 3 and 5, 5 and 7. What we call them? Twin prime. What we call these pairs? Twin prime numbers. Prime numbers between 1 and 10. Now we have to write the prime numbers between 1 and 10. First will be 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. So these are the 4 numbers which are prime numbers between 1 to 10. Now revise all these facts properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.